Yo guys, what's up? It's Nick, and real quick, I just want to put out this video on the Jordan 1 Mocha. So without further ado, let's get into it real quick. Alright guys, as you can see, this colorway is that nice mocha brown that is very similar to the same color on the Travis Scott ones. As you guys can see, the suede is very nice quality as it changes colors as you stroke it. There's a nice grain to it. You don't actually feel the grain very much, and it doesn't feel like a very high quality suede, but it definitely looks the part of it. Alright guys, looking at the leather quality on the toe box, pressing it on it, it doesn't seem to be tumbling at all, but the leather quality is still pretty nice. It's pretty stiff leather, but the creases don't seem like they're going to be this kind of pinched in plastic creases. This is like the type of leather that will age very well when you wear it, it seems. If we look at this, the black part right outside of the toe box, this is definitely creasing, nice and buttery. Very similar to the Jordan 1 bread toes. The collar on the shoe, nothing too special about it. It's very plush, and it looks like it'll bounce back from anything. It doesn't look like this is going to crease very much, unlike the Jordan 1 2017 Royals, which creased a lot in the back. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the video. I just wanted to make a quick video showing the shoe in hand and showing some of the details that I find important when I'm buying a Jordan 1. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do like, subscribe, and until next time, I'm out.